Okay, so as a review from today's lesson, and if I finish this review and it's not making sense, and you haven't taken the time to either watch the recording from class today or you it's before class has happened, I would wait for class or to watch the recording to make sure that you really understand Greek and Latin roots. But many English words come from Greek or Latin, and knowing Greek or Latin root words can really help us figure out unknown words when we get to them. So, for example, the word part graph in English comes from a Greek word that means written picture. Okay. And the word part aud, A-U-D, comes from a Latin word that means to hear or listen. So it makes sense for words like photograph, right? If graph means written picture, it makes sense for a photograph to be a picture that's printed out, right? For audience, if odd means to hear or listen, it makes sense that audience is a group of listeners. What you are going to do in this activity is you're going to read each sentence and highlight the word with the root. Then you're going to circle the actual root word. Okay. So, for example, I'm going to do the first one for you. So, if you're watching this, it was very smart of you because you're not only getting a quick review, but you're learning exactly how to do this and get a free answer. So, the president's autograph is very valuable. So, I just talked about how graph and odd are Greek and Latin roots. So I'm going to highlight the word autograph because it has that graph word part in it. Then the other thing I have to do, I don't just highlight, but I also need to use another tool to circle the actual root. Okay. What you're going to do now is you're going to go through and you're going to do number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, highlighting the English word that has the root in it, and then actually circling the root within that word. All right, you can go ahead and get started.